Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on Twitter, GoPro X CHK. So Twitter is consolidating now. We had our clear bearish reversal doji at the top of an uptrend showing indecision. As soon as we lost the higher low pattern, that's your bear signal. So the break of 2217 was a bear signal. We have pulled back pretty significantly from there, and we closed at the low of the day. So we're looking for some further pullback. Right now, if we see a break of 2170, I'm looking down at 2115. So not only was this a nice bear signal to get in, but it was a signal to take profit. And we can now be on the sidelines looking for re-entry. We are anticipating a higher low to form, and we're patiently waiting for the hourly chart, which is now forming lower highs and lower lows, to then shift and form higher lows and higher highs to put the bulls back in favor. So as of right now, bulls are patiently waiting for the new higher low to form. There's not a ton of support established because we shot right up for 5 days in a row, but we will look for a higher low to form somewhere in the low $21 range. The middle Bollinger Band support is here as well. That's going to begin ascending again after taking a bit of a pause. And the weekly time frame, healthy consolidation, bulls in full control is the bottom line. Higher low expected. GoPro dropped all the way down to 837. The bulls did buy the dip a bit. Resistance is 878. So break 878, and we have our higher low and higher high, showing that the bounce has continuation and momentum for these bulls. And if we are unable to break 878 and we pull back and break 837, there is not a lot of support down here. 826, $8, 796. Weekly chart still battling exponential resistance. That's what we're watching this week. Close above exponential resistance with that daily higher low and higher high favors the bulls for continuation, and a rejection has a bear flag potential to be looking for lower lows under $8. X consolidating as well after a very bullish last week. Same thing, we're looking for a higher low here. Right now support is 28.45. If that breaks tomorrow, we're looking at 28.25. Weekly chart needs to hold a 50-week moving average on a back test. Looks pretty good to do so this week so far, and that level is 27.80. Upper Bollinger Band is resistance. That's not a factor unless we get into the upper $29 range. But this is daily healthy consolidation underway right now. And same thing as Twitter. Looks very similar. We'll look for a higher low to form. CHK, all bears, increasing bear volume. And we're right down at 380 support, holding the last 2 days. If we break 380, we are looking down at 378 and 362. So the bears are in full control. The close at the low of the day favors those bears. We saw natural gas with a big gap up open on the January contracts today, but not really seeing that reflected in the price of CHK. Still all bears have to form a higher low compared to 341 and get over this weekly middle Bollinger Band. I'm not giving up on that potential, but I'm certainly not touching it bullish until I get a signal here. When we have a prolonged downtrend, you cannot give the bulls any benefit of the doubt. You have to make them prove everything and make them prove it to you that they have momentum and strength. We're not seeing that until that middle Bollinger Band is support. I don't know. We'll do something. I'll see you tomorrow.